everyone, today I'll be introducing you to this Frontalini piano accordion. On the treble side we have 41 keys and 1 palm register. It has 3 sets of reeds, 1 low and 2 middle. We have an indicator right here that shows when that's activated. And on the left hand side we have 120 buttons and 4 sets of reeds.